This is how to compare two models in the secured portal. First of all, go to your Manage Models tab to make sure you have two models that you want to compare. Once you've made sure that you have two that you want to compare, you can go to the Compare Models tab. From here, make sure that you're on the comparison selection, and when you are, you can click on both of your models. Once you have both selected, you can click Start. This will send the comparison to our servers to start the comparison. Please note that it will take a couple minutes in order to fully compare, and you will have to wait for those comparisons to finish. After waiting a few minutes, if you refresh the page, you should see your comparison results here.